Over the past 8 years, it has been my honor to serve this district and to witness the remarkable growth and progress we've achieved together. We've expanded opportunities for our youngest learners by growing our pre-K classrooms and securing funding for a brand new pre-K center at Riverside Elementary. At the same time, we strengthened bilingual education with a complete K-12 dual language track, ensuring students can thrive in 2 languages. We also made critical investments in technology, moving to a 1-to-1 Chromebook model, solving the digital divide by providing free wireless for students, and guiding our community through the challenges of the COVID pandemic and its lasting effects. I'm proud that together we reached the highest graduation rates in Gadsden's history 3 years in a row. We've also expanded STEM opportunities for every grade level through partnerships with LEGO and even drone learning experiences. Financially, our district earned the highest ratings possible on all audits, and we secured funding for a complete reconstruction of Gadsden Middle School. We increased campus security with stronger budgets and staff training while continuing to provide our teachers with world-class professional development. I've had the privilege of sharing our district's story in front of legislative committees, ensuring the voice of Gadsden ISD helps shape policies that impact students across New Mexico. The reality is, all good things come to an end. It's hard to think about moving on. I believe I'm leaving Gadsden in a better place. I'm officially announcing that I will be retiring as superintendent on January 1st, 2026. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the students, staff, and communities that make up Gadsden ISD. You are the heart of the district, and I will be forever grateful for the opportunity to be part of something so incredibly special. You know what was amazing to me with Gadsden is it was such a welcoming environment. Really, everybody welcomed me with open arms. And I realized how special our kids are and how much pride we took in educating our kids. From the very beginning, wanted to be a part of it. I wanted to get invested. I gave my whole heart and soul to it because I so wanted to be a part of it. The other thing that struck me, the culture is just very, very kind. If I could put a billboard on I-10 as a statement to Gadsden, I think what I would just remind everybody is what a special place this is. Gadsden has something special. It's not everywhere. Cherish it. Hang on to it because it is important. If things get tough, what I would remind everybody in Gadsden, just focus on kids. At the end of the day, things get tough. Situations happen, problems happen. If we just spend our time focusing on students, we'll get through it. To continue to put your effort and work into taking care of kids. You know, when I'm in Santa Fe in the state legislature, Gadsden sets the standard. We are the standard of excellence in the state of New Mexico. And we continue to have people asking, what do you do? How do you do it? Can we come visit? And they want to see what we're doing. At the end of the day, the secret is we are dedicated to our kids. Go Cowboys. You can end that. Go Cowboys.